Have you ever paused to consider the air you breathe, the water you drink, or the soil that grows your food? What if they're not as pure as you think they are? Today, we delve into the murky world of environmental pollution, a pervasive issue that affects us all, whether we realize it or not. Environmental pollution is the contamination of our natural surroundings by pollutants. These pollutants, often the byproducts of our activities, can cause damage to our environment, harm wildlife, and even impact our health. There are various types of pollution, each with its own set of challenges. Air pollution, often caused by industrial emissions and vehicle exhaust, can lead to respiratory diseases and contribute to global warming. Water pollution, whether from industrial waste, agricultural runoff, or litter, can harm aquatic life and contaminate our drinking water. Soil pollution, often due to chemicals and waste, can degrade farmland and pose a risk to food safety. Noise pollution can cause stress and hearing loss, while light pollution can disrupt ecosystems and harm our mental health. Pollution has many sources. Factories belching out smoke, cars burning fossil fuels, farms using chemical pesticides, cities overflowing with waste, and rapid urbanization that paves over nature. Each of these activities can contribute to the pollution problem in its own way. Pollution doesn't just harm the environment, it can also have serious health consequences. For example, air pollution can lead to asthma and heart disease, while contaminated water can spread diseases like cholera and dysentery. Pollution doesn't just harm us directly, it also contributes to climate change by releasing greenhouse gases and destroying natural carbon sinks like forests and oceans. Pollution doesn't affect everyone equally. Often marginalized communities and low-income areas bear the brunt of pollution, leading to a phenomenon known as environmental injustice. Despite the grim picture, there are ways to combat pollution. Reducing emissions, transitioning to renewable energy, implementing stricter regulations, and promoting recycling can all help. But change doesn't just come from above. Each of us can make a difference, whether it's by changing our lifestyle, becoming an activist, or advocating for better policies. There are many inspiring stories of communities and countries that have successfully reduced pollution and improved their environment. These examples show that change is possible. As we conclude, remember, the fight against pollution is not just for scientists or politicians, it's for everyone. Raise awareness, support environmental organizations, participate in cleanup events, and advocate for policy changes. You have the power to make a difference. The Earth is our home. Let's keep it clean and healthy for ourselves, for future generations, and for all the life that shares this planet with us.